All right, here's it at night, folks. Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas to all. I'm a day late. It's not Christmas anymore. But I got a good video for you guys. This actually isn't a Christmas gift, but I bought it for myself. I got it a couple days ago, but I decided to kind of just not do anything the last couple days. So I've got a set of replacement high performance halogen bulbs from my 2019 F-150. I decided not to go with the plug-in LEDs because maybe I'm mistaken, but all the experiences I've had, they're just like not great. And especially going down the street, you can tell which ones are aftermarket because sometimes they'll blink. And I don't want to have any problems with that. I'm okay with just getting a little bit brighter beams with the upgraded halogens, and then because eventually too, I'm gonna spend money and I'm gonna get some real full LED headlights, LED sequential turn signals, all that fun stuff. But until I get that, I'm fine with spending on sale $10 for these. They're usually $50 off of AmericanTrucks.com. So I was happy with that sale, happy with that price. I'll get you guys a little tutorial, if you will, how to replace them. Pretty easy. What we're gonna do is go under the truck. I'm gonna actually have to hop back in and turn the wheels here. Sorry, let me zoom out a little bit. Turn the wheels all the way towards me on both sides. And then we've got a few screws in the fender liner to take out, as well as a whatchamacallit, pull tab. And then we'll pop this guy open, and there's a dust cap on the top one, which is the low beams, which I'll show you guys. And then remove it, plug in the new one, and should be good as new. So I'll get back to you guys when I got this turned out. I got a little light in there, and I got my tripod set up. All right, folks. If you guys can see here, I actually haven't tested what size the bolt is, so hope I don't look like an idiot, but yeah, it's not an 8. It potentially is like a 6 or a 5. So we got 1, 2, I think we have 3. That one's a screw one, a hand screw, and then we have a pull tab up there. So potentially just 4 bolts. We're gonna peel back the fender, and then it'll be fender liner, and then it'll be that top socket, which I'll give you guys a little close up on way up here. It's got a little dust cover. We'll pull off and then twist on, pull out, switch, put in, twist on, and we're good. So let me go ahead and match this up, and then I'll be back officially. All right, everyone, my pain proceeds day and time. It is a little bit smaller than a 6 mil, bigger than a 5. I don't have any American sockets, so we got old Rusty here. So I'll go ahead and time lapse this, getting these off, and then we'll be back. Well, everyone, now that we have Zeus's tab out, nothing ever goes to plan, does it? Why is there so much force on this? I don't get it. Maybe I'm an idiot, but got the tab out. I'm gonna have a lot more room here to get in. So let me go ahead and get a flashlight up there, and you guys can take a little peek. All right, y'all. So getting in here. Hold on, you guys are gonna like this. Let me flip it. All right, getting in here. There is. Wow, I can't see anything. Tell me, what are you guys looking at, man? Okay, so that's. Oh, why is it zoomed in? Sorry, guys. Okay, so that. Oops. This probably looks terrible. That's the dust cover for the low beam. The high beam's right up there. Maybe get a little pointer if you guys can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off, pull it out, and get the new one in. All right, everyone. Old one is out. There you are. And new one. So a little shinier, a little less burnt, hopefully a little brighter. Not sure if that's really a difference you guys can see on the camera. I mean, I'll see you later tonight. I'll make sure to get a good video of me driving at night. Jesus, enough. I'll make sure to get a good video of me driving at night and add that into the video for you guys. As far as the rest, I'm gonna go ahead and just, finish up. You guys don't want to watch that again, I'm sure. So I'm gonna go ahead, get back in the truck, or excuse me, tighten these bolts and clips back up, hop back in the truck, reverse the wheel the other way, and then get going on the passenger side. So that's really it. I appreciate you guys watching. There'll be a little video, I don't know, somewhere, probably right after me talking, that is it driving at night. So I appreciate you guys. Some more stuff coming soon for sure, some more truck stuff. I got 2 long form videos I'm working on, as in both long length and time to record. So you guys probably won't see that for a little bit, but I am working on some other stuff as well. Yeah, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, here's it at night, folks. On my way to the gym right now. Could be a hint at another video, but it is definitely a little bit more white than the original yellow. It looks a little better on camera, actually. It's not that white in person, but yeah. All right, hope you enjoyed.